Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Moen faucet hose is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a functional and leak-free kitchen or bathroom, and today we're diving deep into why choosing the right replacement hose is crucial for your plumbing's longevity and your peace of mind, ensuring that your faucet operates smoothly and efficiently for years to come without any drips or unexpected messes. Number 5. Hygie Rinse Universal Kitchen Sink Side Sprayer. Introducing the Universal Kitchen Sink Side Sprayer, a versatile attachment designed to enhance your kitchen tasks. It offers a convenient and efficient way to clean and rinse. This sprayer features a standard 1/4-foot female thread hose, ensuring compatibility with many popular faucet brands like Kohler, Delta, and Moen. It's designed to fit most standard OEM faucet side sprayer heads. To ensure a perfect fit, we've included 3 additional adapters. This package comes with a quick connect side adapter compatible with Moen, plus 1/4-foot and 3/8 barb connectors for Delta and other faucets. Effortlessly control the water flow with its one-button design, operated easily with just one thumb. Its high-concentration nozzle provides a focused spray, perfect for tackling tough messes and reaching difficult spots. Get everything you need in one package. This set includes the sprayer head, hose, holder, 3 adapters, Teflon tape, and clips for a complete and practical solution. Finished with a sleek, precision-engineered chrome, this side sprayer not only performs exceptionally but also adds a touch of modern design to your kitchen sink. What we like. This option offers a standard 1/4-foot female thread for broad compatibility. It also comes with 3 additional adapters, including a quick connect for Moen, making it very versatile. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that covers most common faucet types and includes everything you need for installation, this is a great choice. What people say. Came with multiple fitting sizes. Just cut off the old broken sprayer and use the quick connect to mount new sprayer to old tubing, super easy. The replacement kit came with everything I needed to install the new hose. Lots of extra pieces and parts, adapters and whatnot, and some plumber's tape. Works perfectly, matches the faucet well, and was an easy install on the existing Moen Quick Connect fitting. I have had no issues with leaking or dribbling. Number 4. Hygie Rinse Universal Kitchen Sink Side Sprayer, Brushed Nickel. Tired of searching for the right replacement? This high-quality sprayer head is designed to fit most standard hoses and is compatible with major brands like Kohler, Delta, and Moen. Why replace the whole assembly when you don't have to? Crafted from durable, scratch-resistant ABS plastic, this nozzle offers a long-lasting and affordable solution for your kitchen. Getting it set up is a breeze. With all the necessary components included, like mounting hardware and multiple washers, you can easily install it by following the simple guide. Its compact and lightweight design features a single button for effortless water dispensing. The focused spray pattern makes cleaning tough spots and residue quick and easy. Enhance your kitchen's look with its precision-engineered brushed nickel finish. It perfectly blends functional performance with a sleek, modern aesthetic. What we like. This sprayer head is built with premium quality ABS plastic, designed to resist scratches and stains for long-term durability. Its brushed nickel finish adds a touch of modern elegance to your sink. If you prioritize a durable, easy-to-clean sprayer head with a stylish finish that won't break the bank, this is the one for you. What people say. Installed this in less than a minute. Perfect fit, perfect replacement. Works like a gem. Works great. Just doesn't deliver enough pressure for my preference. Was pretty easy to install with no leaks. Number 3. Brushed Nickel 3-function faucet head replacement. Tired of a faucet that doesn't fit? This replacement head comes with 15 adapters, ensuring compatibility with major brands like American Standard, Moen, and Delta. Installation is a breeze, taking just minutes with the included tools. Experience versatile cleaning with 3 distinct water modes. Choose from a gentle stream for rinsing, a powerful spray for tougher jobs, or a dedicated flushing mode for stubborn stains. Easily switch between them with the intuitive button controls. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic with a brushed nickel finish, this sprayer is built to last. The silicone nozzles are not only easy to clean but also prevent mineral buildup, ensuring longevity and water savings. Designed with a multi-mesh aerator, it provides a no-splash experience while filtering impurities. This efficient design helps conserve water and energy, making it an eco-friendly choice for your kitchen. Transform your kitchen sink with this stylish and functional faucet head. Its brushed nickel finish complements any decor, while its advanced features make everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Please note that this replacement head is not compatible with RV faucets or magnetic faucets. It's recommended to confirm your faucet's hose type and measure the thread size before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This replacement head boasts an impressive 15 adapter kit, ensuring compatibility with a vast range of faucet brands. It also features 3 distinct water modes: stream, spray, and flushing, offering great flexibility for various tasks. If you have a unique or less common faucet brand, or if you need versatile spray options for different cleaning needs, this option provides the most adaptability. What people say. The faucet with all possible adapters were included. All parts were in individual bags with clearly numbered. A detailed instruction sheet along with diagrams was also included. So, it was a breeze to change the faucet. It took hardly 10 minutes to replace my old faucet with new one. Works flawlessly. This comes with quite a few adapters and O-rings for many different styles, therefore was an easy install. It is plastic and not metal but doesn't affect anything. Also, buttons are very tactical with a third function of sprayer which has some decent water pressure I didn't have to begin with. It's higher quality than the original, and fit like a glove. Easy install, less than 5 minutes. Just a few twists and finding the right size attachment head that came in the box. Lots of options to choose from included. I love the pressure spray button feature. Makes cleaning dishes way easier. Number 2. Hygie Rinse Universal Kitchen Sink Sprayer Set. Introducing our Universal Kitchen Sink Sprayer, designed to fit most common faucet types. This set provides a convenient solution for your daily cleaning needs. It comes with 3 additional adapters, including quick connect options for Moen and Delta faucets. This ensures a wide range of compatibility for easy installation. The hose features a standard 1/4 foot female thread, making it compatible with many popular brands like Kohler, Delta, and Moen. Enjoy a secure and reliable connection every time. Effortlessly control the water flow with a simple one-thumb button. Its focused spray pattern effectively cleans tough spots and hard-to-reach areas. Enhance your kitchen's aesthetic with its refined brushed nickel finish. This sprayer combines modern design with practical functionality. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: the spray head, hose, holder, adapters, and installation accessories. It's a complete solution for your kitchen faucet spray needs. What we like. This package provides a complete spray set, including the sprayer, hose, and holder, along with adapters from Moen and Delta. Its brushed nickel finish offers a sleek look. If you need a full replacement kit that includes all the necessary components for a coordinated look and easy installation, especially if you have a Moen or Delta faucet, this is an excellent all-in-one solution. What people say. Installation took me less than 5 minutes, requiring no special tools or plumbing skills. The attachment fits snugly onto my faucet without leaking, and switching between the regular faucet flow and the spray mode is seamless. The materials feel durable, and the attachment stays securely in place even with daily use. Unlike other attachments I've tried, this one doesn't loosen over time, and the spray head itself feels solid and robust. Spray comes with multiple pieces to allow installation on most cases. High quality in looks and manufacturing. Very easy installation. Number 1. Kohler K12199935 BC 68-inch Faucet Hose Replacement. Ensure your kitchen faucet is working perfectly with this high-quality replacement hose. It's designed for durability and a perfect fit. This hose is specifically compatible with most Kohler pull-down kitchen faucets featuring the Docnetic magnetic docking system. Please verify your faucet model before purchase. It fits popular series like Samplice, Grays, Artifacts, Sensate, and Bel Era. Check the product details to confirm compatibility with your specific model number. Crafted with a good nylon wrapper and a brass metal connector, this hose is built to last. Enjoy a high-value replacement for your kitchen faucet parts. Measuring 68 inches long with a 0.5-inch diameter, this pull-down hose offers the ideal length and fit for easy installation and optimal performance. Replacing your old hose is straightforward with this easy-to-install part. Restore functionality to your kitchen faucet quickly and efficiently. What we like. This hose kit is specifically designed for compatibility with most Kohler pull-down kitchen faucets featuring the Docnetic magnetic docking system. It's a substantial 68 inches long and constructed with a durable nylon wrapper and brass metal connector for reliability. If you own a compatible Kohler faucet and need a high-quality, long replacement hose, this is the perfect fit. What people say. This hose comes with multiple attachments, so after figuring out exactly which model sink you have, you should be able to figure out which attachments will work for you. This hose kit worked flawlessly as a replacement for my 15-year-old faucet. Installation was straightforward, and the quality feels excellent, sturdy and reliable. Everything fits perfectly, and it functions just like a brand new faucet. It was easy to install. Seemed durable and fits the Kraus farmhouse sink. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.